Brats, my favorite Elite strap that doesn't have a battery on it is the Kiwi Elite strap. Surprisingly, it's on sale right now for about 40 bucks, and CNBeYoung just sent us their Elite strap, which is pretty close to the same price. Let's compare the two. First, we gotta open this thing up. CNBeYoung, we've had a couple things sent from them lately. One was decent, one was not. So a little hit or miss so far with them. Comes all baggied up. Now it's got a really weird look to the rear head pad. I'm guessing it's really going after the fitness crowd. Oh boy, check out that right there. It's like a shark's mouth or something. Maybe it's meant to go with that Kiwi facial interface we compared a while back. So that's it right there. Feels like it's gonna fit the back of your head. Ooh. This feels incredibly cheap right here. Right now, this is technically $37.99 on Amazon. There is a 15% off with it. This is different than any I've seen before. What the F? So where we've had a lot of them that go in here and then they just snap on, this one kind of does the same, but it slides in. And then you have this little arrow right here so that when you want to take this off again, you push that up to unlock it. Kind of an unusual design. I don't know that it's better or worse. It's just different. Kind of similar to the Kiwi here in that this part that goes in the back just kind of hooks on, although it's got the plastic clip on this side and that feels, again, very, very cheap and a little awkward to put in because it's kind of floppy and you're trying to shove it in this hole that's kind of tight around it with the rubber. So it's a trick to get on there. If you kind of hang this down and get some gravity. Nope, that's not working. You gotta get a thumb in there, I think, and then force it. There we go. Whew. Oh boy. First impressions, cheap, premium. But let's get it on there and actually test the feel. I've been wearing this one playing around today to get experience with the Kiwi again, because usually I use a Bobo VR M2 Pro, but everything about this one feels quality. In this one's defense, this one was usually $43 to $53, so it's weird that this one's on such a good sale right now. It's got a stretchy strap and one little tiny detail, there's like blue on one side and red on the other. It's got the Beat Saber colors going on. It's not your usual strap design, it's like an actual elastic, so it feels different. Side parts snap on pretty securely. They don't give you too much trouble unlike some of the other ones, so I don't mind that. That gear feels so cheap and crappy though. I mean, it's got a lot of wiggle, it's all plastic, it feels bad. But its one redeeming factor is comfort. It feels great on the back of my head. Definitely all those holes would be nice for something if you're playing really active. It's gonna just give you a little bit more ventilation in the back. Feels like any other Elite strap. It's keeping some of the pressure on my face, but not a lot. If I tighten it down, it squeezes all evenly and around. I don't feel any pressure points. It just feels tight. Definitely more flexible and not necessarily in a good way. I mean, you want rigidity, you want strength to hold that weight off your face where this isn't gonna do it. You're getting a lot of bounce there. It's a good sign that it's not probably gonna break too easily because it's really flexing. I mean, whew, that's a lot of bend. If you are here and the prices have changed and the CNBeYoung is way cheaper than the Kiwi, I would say this thing would have to be $25 or less for me to consider it. It feels cheap, but it is comfortable. Right now, it's too much money. This thing deserves the $40 to $50 it usually costs. The Kiwi Elite strap is the most premium and it is the only one you're gonna find a link in the description to because it's the one I recommend if you like an Elite strap style. And when I say that, that means you like it to feel stable on your face. You like to know that the headset's gonna stay there. You're not the kind of person that likes a halo like me where the weight stays on top of your head. If you're gonna get an Elite strap and you don't want a battery on it, Kiwi's the way to go. CNBeYoung, I would only consider this if you're out there looking for a really budget-friendly option and it has somehow dropped in price by then, because right now it's not that good of a deal. That's where I'm at with the two. This one wins for comfort. This one wins for strength. The only place it would lose it all is maybe price. So thank you for coming out. I hope you found this video informative and helpful. We're gonna do a bit more of this comparing a couple straps at the same time because you really like to know out there what is it like versus another one. And thank you for being here. I will see you in another reality. Ba-boom.